Hey guys, Snake Cat here, and welcome back to my first YouTube video on here. I'm just going to do that, and let's just start a playground with Phil on and just fight people. I might be very bad because I'm on computer, because computer. So, and his PC runs very bad, so let's start. My FPS is really low, sadly. I'll probably edit the loading screen.
No,
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Hello. Yeah, teacher. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah?
I'm using the microphone.
You can't do it. It shouldn't.
You can't what?
I'm sorry. Wait, figure laggy.
What's happening, man? You dying from crippling depression, man?
I'm trying to.
Hmm.
Don't. What?
Well, I think I want to go to Tilted. Hello, person, if you can hear me now. Okay. Well, my mic's not working, but you can hear me, guys. It's weird, okay? Yeah, my pixels might be a little bad because I don't have the best computer, and this is the best they can run with on bad pixels. But stuff would start to smooth out. At first it looks like this, but it'll start to smooth out. So, yeah. Okay, just smooth out. I can use my glider for some reason. Oh my gosh, this is so bad. I'm just going to kill myself. Okay. Please, just smooth out. The heck? What? Why you over there? You have to cover me. Okay, bye! You can't see my webcam anymore. And I can fly now. Oh my gosh. Oh, finally, okay. You can't see my webcam anymore, but things are finally smoothing out. I don't know what is up, but... Okay. Who else is in here? Okay, so we have a full lobby, okay. And you're back. And, yeah, the webcam's back. Okay, that's good to know. Get the boost. Get the chest. It's probably on the purpose. Shoot. There you go. I'm probably going to die fatally, but... And I can't build, so... Yeah. I have to look at the keyboard still. It's sad. Because I don't know. The burst is going to be great. Why did I want to do? Yes. Very tactical. I don't have the best stuff right now. I wish I did. Yeah, dynamite, okay. I never really used dynamite, but trying to do something for me. And there's this guy. Oh yeah! Actually, you know what? Let's just go to Spawn Island instead. You know what? Screw it. Screw fighting people. Let's go to Spawn Island, guys. Yep, my stuff died. Rest in peace. Well, I can't. Okay. It's over here. Challenge games right there. No, I want to respawn, please. Thank you. And you can actually go to Spawn Island and get out. But right now, let's go to Spawn Island. It's very easy. All you gotta do is jump to it. The pirate ship should be there. There it is. Oh my gosh, this game's so laggy right now. So all you need is wood. Wood for brick. Brick for wood. Yep, that seems right there. Okay, so here it is. Right here. And then, yeah. Then that happens, and then you will teleport. Wait, let's wait. It's gonna work, I bet, yeah. 3, 2, 1, pizzazz. Don't make me a liar, please, game. Okay, see, now I teleported to the other side. And then I'll grab some wood. Then you do the exact same thing again, and you should be on Spawn Island. Bye guys, have a good time. I'll meet you at Spawn Island. I'll meet you at Spawn Island. Yep, okay. Well, I'm at Spawn Island. Yep, bam. That's it. That's how you get to Spawn Island. And they can't see me, but I can switch teams. It's like team select. Oh yeah, and you can't escape. Let's go to team select and see if, oh yeah, there's my friend right there. And he won't see me on the map, which is sad. Maybe he'll see me over here. Maybe he won't see me on the map and be like, where am I or something, but yeah. So yeah, that's how you get to Spawn Island. And no escape now. Okay, never mind. There's actually is escape, but you just gotta shoot into the air like that, and that, and that, and that, and then you go right here. Press respawn. Then you're going forward, and then you press respawn again, and apply. And then you press the W key, and then you should get going further. And then you keep pressing it until you get out, which is great, yeah. Because I think when you respawn, it like glitches you through the barrier, and so then you'll get through like that. And welcome back to the main island. So yeah. So, I think that's it, folks, and bye.